হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, সবাইকে স্বাগতম আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে। সো এই ভিডিওতে আমি নতুন ফ্রিল্যান্সারদের জন্য খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটা বিষয় শেয়ার করব এবং সেটা হচ্ছে আমার রিয়েল লাইফ এক্সপিরিয়েন্স থেকে। সো সেটা কি? সেটা হচ্ছে রিসেন্টলি আমার একজন ইউএস এর ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে একটা ওয়েবসাইট ডিজাইন প্রজেক্টের মিটিং টোটাল রেকর্ড করে রাখছি আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করার জন্য। এটা শেয়ার করব। কেন শেয়ার করব? কারণ যারা নতুন ফ্রিল্যান্সিং শুরু করে তারা প্রথমে স্কিল ডেভেলপমেন্টে ফোকাস করে কিংবা কাজ শিখে, বাট কাজ শেখার পরও কাজ পায় না। এর মূল কারণ হয়েছে যে তারা আসলে জানেই না যে কিভাবে ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে কমিউনিকেশন করতে হয়, প্রজেক্টের প্রাইস নিয়ে কথা বলতে হয়, কিংবা কিভাবে কথা বললে ক্লায়েন্ট ইমপ্রেস হবে এবং ক্লায়েন্ট আমাদেরকে কাজ দেবে। সো এই সকল বিষয়ের জন্য মূলত আমি এই ভিডিওটা কিংবা আমাদের টোটাল মিটিং চলাকালীন সময়ে যে সেশনটা চলছে আমি রেকর্ড করছি এবং আপনার সাথে শেয়ার করব। এবং এই ভিডিও দেখলে পরে আপনারা বুঝতে পারবেন একজন ইউএস এর ক্লায়েন্ট কিভাবে কথা বলে, কিভাবে ক্লায়েন্টের সাথে আমি কথা বলি, কিংবা কিভাবে প্রাইসিং নিয়ে ডিসকাস করতে হয়, কিংবা উনি যে আমাকে কাজটা দিবে এটা আমি বুঝতে পারছি কিনা, কিংবা আমি ওনার কাজটা করতে পারবো কিনা। ওভারঅল ওনাকে তো বুঝাইতে হবে যে আমি কাজ জানি এবং কাজ করতে পারবো, আমার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আছে। এবং ফাইনালি প্রাইসিং নিয়েও কথাবার্তা হয়েছে। সো আপনারা যারা নতুন ফ্রিল্যান্সিং শুরু করছেন, কোনো একটা স্কিল ডেভেলপ করছেন, এখন ক্লায়েন্ট পাচ্ছেন না, ক্লায়েন্ট কিভাবে পাবেন কিংবা ক্লায়েন্ট কমিউনিকেশন কিভাবে করবেন, আপনাদের সবার জন্য এই ভিডিওটা খুবই খুবই হেল্পফুল হবে। তো ভিডিওটা শুরু হচ্ছে, সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিও দেখবেন এবং আপনাদের কাজে আসলে অবশ্যই কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন।
Okay. So thank you for joining the meeting.
Yeah. Please continue.
Okay, I have saw your YouTube channel and you are explaining how to create website on Duda.
Yeah.
So I will explain the situation and you tell me if you can help or no.
Yeah, of course. I can help you.
Okay, so I was before working with another designer who builds website on Duda for me and for my clients, friends, etc. But now I'm not working with him anymore. And I have someone who wants the website to be published again. And when I'm not working with him anymore, the website is cancelled anyway. But this client came back to me and wanted to his website to publish another to be published now. So I cannot. I have the website, the old website ready on the old designer that I was working with him, and I wanted to check if you can do the same website with the same template on Duda, but it is a little bit more personalized. I can explain to you. Sorry, my camera not working.
Can you share your computer screen?
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you now. 1 second, please. Okay. Are you able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So this is the website. It is basically built on Duda, but with some changes in the colors, logo. I can provide you with all the information, colors, logo, content. I can send you this link. I'm not sure if you will be able to open this link because it was built on the older platform.
Yeah.
But yes, exactly, I want the same, exactly with the colors, logo, pictures.
Everything
I don't know how
same
to go to
as
it.
clone section by section, right?
Yes, exactly the same, yes.
Okay. Okay, that's possible because as previously I said, while with the Duda and I'm going to follow the Duda value website, so it's not any complex text for me, so it's possible.
Okay, great. So for this design, how much would you charge?
How many pages there in this website?
1, 2, 3, 4 pages.
My charge is 300 USD, and you have to give me 1 week time.
Okay, is this the last price or
Yeah.
it
It's
is
my fixed.
negotiable?
No, it's my fixed price, and I always try to share the best price with new clients, so I can understand.
I feel it's a little bit higher because everything is ready for you to
You may,
build. I provide you with the data, design, pictures, everything.
I got you, but
And if I like your work,
yeah.
I will have more clients in the UK, and I can also if we agree and I like your work, we can work together on more projects.
Okay, so I got it. So how much you want to pay for this project, for the first project?
I would pay, I would say, $180.
Make it 200.
200 US dollars.
It's okay.
Okay, I'll think about it, okay?
I think I just say more $20 more, right?
Mm.
Okay, and the thing is that after sales support, that is very important for any business, for any long-term relationship, and that's why I think you should also consider it. You will get the best support from me in Google or Google Meet after sales service. I mean, so when you need any simple changes like any text, color, or anything very simple that I can fix it within 10 minutes, 5 minutes. For such support, you don't have to pay anything in future. So
Okay.
it's also you should consider. Also, I have SEO experience that is very relevant for a website. So your website will be SEO friendly. That is advanced step. Because I'm expert on this. So I hope it's okay for me to start with 200 USD in the first project, as they have option in future to get more project from you, and I'll try my best to impress you by first project so that I can continue the relationship with you.
Okay, so if you do this website for me, after if I make any changes, anything, I can reach out to you anytime and you can do it, right?
Yeah, of course. It's called after sales service, and you get free for me, and that will take like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But if there is any big changes, then of course we have to go for paid service, like you design a new
Okay.
page or anything like a little bit more time consume. You understand?
Okay, so and how do you know how to publish to make the website live?
Yeah, of course I know. I have worked in do the and I already published a video and people coming from my YouTube channel. So I hope you get.
Yeah, I came from your YouTube channel. Yes,
So I'm working as a developer or expert. So you don't have to keep any worry about my skill and experience. You can keep confidence on me.
Okay, and do I need to pay? How much I need to pay for Duda?
For Duda or for me?
No, for you. Yes, we discussed that, and you told me. Do I need to pay anything for Duda or no?
No, you have to pay for Duda based on your. First of all, you have to make sure that you have ready domain or their subscription model. I hope you already check their subscription model. Duda is not for fully free. For publish your website, you must have to pay.
Yes, I checked on Duda and it says that you have 3 or 4 plans. So one is basic, one is I'm willing. I wish to go for the basic one, which is about I'm not sure. It's $20 per month. I think I wish to do the monthly pay to try 2 or 3 months, and if it is good, I will do like the annual, because it will be cheaper, the annual plan.
Yeah.
So do you recommend the basic one? Or
Yeah,
no?
at the beginning, I think basic one is perfect for the beginning of
Yeah.
just
For now, I have only one website.
yeah.
For now.
Then if our business expanded, then we can think about change our subscription or plan. But in the first time, we don't have to go expensive plan.
Okay. So and the domain name, you know GoDaddy?
Yeah, I know GoDaddy, Hostinger, or Namecheap. You can purchase from Namecheap. Namecheap is cheap.
Yeah, we have already. He has already the domain name ready.
Then-
Ready. So
yeah.
it's .co.uk.
Yeah. If you have already domain, then I can connect the domain with the Dota, so it's not will be any issue. But you have to share
And you
the
can
access.
connect it. Yeah.
Yeah, you have to share.
Yeah.
this.
So you are based in Bangladesh, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. And are you like a developer or just web designer?
Yeah, I think I can say it's mixed because I can make custom theme design development, and I have also expert on Shopify. So I have coding experience, not only like drag and drop experience. I can find anything, complex section or any design, any feature with coding. And right now,
Okay.
AI is change everything, so it's for me more advanced. So I can work as your developer.
Okay. So you said it's 5 working days, right?
Yeah.
5 working days. Okay. Another question. So how do you usually do with the payment? Will
Yeah.
you give you like an how can I say an advance amount and you
Yeah.
start working and
Yeah.
finish? I give you the rest.
Yeah. Actually, I take 50% payment for any project,
Mm-hmm.
and then rest payment after each of the project. When you approve the full project, I mean it's fully ready as per your requirement. And for payment, I use wise.com or zoom.com. This is PayPal service, or Wise is very perfect for me. So you can use any platform to send payment.
So you send me the link and I do the payment on PayPal.
Yeah, of course, PayPal does not support on my country. So you have to try with Wise. You can try with Wise. Wise is very.
Or you can give me the details of the bank account. I can give you a bank transfer if it is possible.
Yeah, I can. I will share, but before that, you have to create a project folder on the Google Drive and create a doc in the Google Drive, and you have to write all the details in here. That will be easy for me to finish every
It's
task.
like a contract. It's like a contract.
Yeah.
So you send me a contract to sign.
Uh, Actually, if you need, I can send an invoice to you.
Yes, you send me an invoice
Okay.
and I send you 50%.
Yeah, okay, no problem. For invoice, you have to share your information, like some information I require to include in the invoice. So if you can share by WhatsApp.
Okay. Yes, I can. I'm happy to share with you all the information by WhatsApp.
Yeah.
But I need to ask my colleagues if this is possible because you know I feel a little bit high what you asked because I provide you everything. What you do is only drag and drop menu on I don't know how to call it. So I'll give you the data. I'll give you the design. Even it is ready to go. The website is ready. So what I need really your help is the drop and drag menu. I'll think about it. You are happy to do any other discount for my first client or no?
I think it's last time to go to here. I don't really want any more discount.
Okay, no one should know. Okay, I'll think about it and I'll send you a WhatsApp message later today.
Yeah.
If I'm happy with that. So what in data you need from me? So like the domain name, access to the what you need exactly? Domain name?
Domain access. It's only for one time to connect with Duda, and then I need the access of Duda account, and that's enough. And share the Google Doc file. That will be your project details file, So that's it.
Google.
Uh,
Okay, so if I have question, I have all the pictures in the old website. Do you know how can I download this picture to send it to you to Google Drive?
You don't have to download these pictures. You just share the old website link. I will download it and upload on the new website. So that will save your time.
How can I send to you the old? Because the old website, it's not published now.
Then-
As I showed you, it's like in the dashboard, the back end.
Then
It's not published. That's why it's since the last 3 months. It's like it's not published. It's
okay, you can give me access of old website also. Then I can log in the dashboard, and in the preview mode I can download it easily.
Okay. I'm not sure if you. I'll check if you can have access because I'm not working with this designer anymore. I have access myself, but I'll check if I can give you access and you can download the pictures right from the old website.
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
I can download it. No problem.
Okay, great. So 5 working days. Let's say if I gave you today 5 today
I
plus.
start from morning. It is the night time right now.
Sorry.
Right now, in my place, it's night.
Yes, I know. Okay, so let's say tomorrow, Thursday. Okay.
Yeah.
So it would take Thursday, Friday, Saturday, if it is including weekends or no.
Yeah. We
Okay.
get within 5 business days. That's why I say it's 1 week. So you
Okay,
get
1
the
week.
dress
So yeah.
delivered within the 5 business days. So if
Okay,
you
so
work,
Thursday, yeah, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, which is 5 working days.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say Wednesday the 8th, okay?
Yeah.
8th of April. Wednesday, 8th of April, okay. Okay, so the account of me, it's now still on the free version, but if I wish to go ahead, I would pay for the basic plan.
In the first time, you have to share the access. We can make ready the website in the dashboard before purchase plan.
Okay, so I sent you the free trial access login details.
Yeah.
And after you.
When we make ready everything, then we can go with the paid plan, and we can purchase the subscription from there.
Okay, so the basic plan would say powered by Duda or no? When I pay.
They update their pricing plan, so you can check it very in details. They have basic plan details. You can check it.
Okay. Okay, so depending on your experience, is it a good plan, the basic one, or no? I need to go for a higher one.
For
So
beginner,
just one website.
basic plan is perfect for beginner, from my experience. And first of all,
Okay.
I think you have to share your old website link or give me access of old website and also the project details in a doc file. Then I can share the more recommendation for you. What will be best
Okay.
for you?
Okay, thank you. Yes, okay, sure, I'll do that. Okay, thank you so much for your time. It was really helpful. I'll think about it and I'll send you later today a WhatsApp message to let you know if I'll go ahead with that or no.
It's easy and fast for me. You can send message by WhatsApp.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, bye.